Hello and welcome to yet another Chi-Prime video where we solve a problem to prepare for the GMAT. As usual, I'll give you a second to pause the video to solve the problem by yourself if you'd like, and then we shall proceed to solve the problem together. Alright, so let's get started. Here we're given that the average of four consecutive prime numbers, four consecutive prime numbers is 12, and we're asked what the median of those four numbers is. So let's call the four consecutive prime numbers A, B, C, and D. So here we're given that their average is 12, and these are consecutive prime numbers, mind you. The average is 12, which means their sum, A plus B plus C plus D, is 4 times 12, or is equal to 48. So if the sum of these four numbers, the four prime numbers, is 48, we want to find out what the numbers likely are. Now we all know the prime numbers. They start with 2, so you have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. And we want to find out four consecutive numbers in the series that sum to 48. Now it's fairly obvious that if you start at 11, then you sum the four numbers, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Their sum is larger than 48, right? Because each one brings a 10, and then you have a 9, 7, 3, and a 1 that are extra, and so it's too large. So we look at the next possible combination of four numbers, 7, 11, 13, and 17. And if we sum them up, we see that 7 plus 11 is 18, and 13 and 17 are 30, so 18 plus 30 is 48. So this is the set of numbers we want. We want 7, 11, 13, and 17. These are the four consecutive prime numbers that sum to 48, right? So now the question is asking us, what is the median of these four numbers? Now, if you remember, the median of a data set is given by the central number in the sorted data set. 7, 11, 13, and 17 are sorted already. They're given to you in sorted order, or rather, you've created them in sorted order. So now you want to find the central number in this data set. So if you have an odd number of elements in your data set in sorted order, the median would be the central number in that data set. If you have an even number of elements in your data set, then in sorted order, then the median would be the average of the two numbers that are central to the data set. In this case, that would be 11 and 13, and their sum is 24, and the average would be 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So 12 is the median of the data set, which consists of four consecutive prime numbers whose average is 12. So in this you have a circumstance where the average and the median of a set of four consecutive prime numbers is the same and is equal to 12. So the option we want is option E, none of the above, because 12 is not one of the other options that you have in this question. Thank you for watching.